give you a little Amazon haul. Okay, so here is just a little sneak peek of welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be another university vlog. I am so excited. I've been loving vlogging recently, so I thought let's do a little day in my life. I also want to do a little room makeover, so it's going to be university day in my life slash kind of bedroom transformation, which I am so excited for. I mentioned in my last video that I feel like spring is just here now. Basically in my brain it's spring, so I don't know, I feel like my room's quite black and white, it's quite neutral. I just want to get some colour in there. So yeah, we are going to be doing a little transformation and a little vlog. So if you are new here, I would love you to stick around, join my little family and subscribe. We're going to have lots more university content, we're going to have vlogs, we're going to have hauls, we're going to have lots of spring hauls coming up ready for June 21st. I just can't wait. So yeah, that content is all going to be coming, so let's just get on with today's video. So I'm so grateful this video is in collaboration with Desenio. I'm going to be showing you all my new Desenio prints. These ones I have up currently are from Desenio. I just fancied like a little bit of a spring makeover, so yeah, I'm going to show you the prints I've got. They are so cute, like honestly I'm obsessed with everything I picked up, so I'm going to show you those first. Okay, so here is just a little sneak peek of some of my favourite ones. You can see the kind of colours we're going for. If anybody watches Sophia and Cinzia, you'll know that Sophia has this one in her house, and I've just been like eyeing it up for ages. So yeah, that one is coming. These are the prints I picked up. There's quite a few more under here, but I'm going to start and put them on the wall and then show you properly. I'm going to use these, which are the command strips. I literally just got these from Amazon, and I've used these every single time I've put up my Desenio prints, and they've just worked every time. So that is the plan. I'm going to put these all up because I just want to show you all the pastel vibes we're now going for. So this is how I've set these three up, literally just above my bed. They look so cute. We've got the one with the little motorbike, then we've got the little woman, and then the little lilac and kind of lemon colour one. These three look so cute above my bed. I feel like they're just perfect. Yeah, this is literally just above my headboard. I feel like this adds such a good little pop of colour. Absolutely love them. So yeah, those are the prints. Also, Desenio have a kind of gallery wall feature where you can arrange these, so I could kind of arrange these on the gallery wall feature on the website before, so I could kind of plan out where I wanted them. And then if you come around here, I've got some more on this wall. So I've got that little pale blue one, which is so cute, and then the pink and orange one. So yeah, this is the side wall. I just think these two are just, they're my favourite. I absolutely love these. So we've got the pale blue and yellow, and then we've got the orange and pink one. I do have a discount code for Desenio, which is just georgialaurenbirch. That gives you 25% off Desenio. So any of the prints I picked up, any other prints, it doesn't apply on hand-picked prints, personalised prints or frames. But other than that, you can get 25% off, which is literally a quarter, like such a good discount. That only lasts until midnight on the 4th of March. So it's literally 2 days. Needs to be quick. But yeah, I'll leave a link down below so you can shop through the link. I'm excited about my new room. I think it's so cute. I'm basically just going to be stirred by this Desenio print for the foreseeable future and all vlogs because I just think it's really cute. But yeah, tidy the room, gonna make some lunch, and then I'm actually gonna get some work done this afternoon. So I haven't done anything yet today, so I've basically just been redecorating my room. I did try and move my bed around into a different position, which took ages, and then I didn't really like it, so I put it back. But yeah, the room transformation is almost done. Quick tidy, then lunch, and then let's get on with the day. Okay, we have a tidy room. We have a perfectly tidy room. It's all made up. I feel like I feel so much more like happy and like a more colourful room now, so I'm happy that's done. I've just put my hair up in one of these little claw clip things, and I got these from Amazon, and I put them on my Instagram story, and so many of you were asking me where they were from Amazon, and they came in this bag of 6. So there's just so many cute colours. I thought I would give you a little Amazon haul. So yeah, there's a pink one. I'll link this down below, by the way. There's a navy blue one, there's a black one, there's the kind of, this is like a brownie one that I've got in my hair at the minute. I don't know if you can see. Hopefully you saw that. If not, it's like a brownie kind of tortoiseshell colour. We've got green, and I think there might have been one more, but I don't know where it is. I think these were literally like under £10 for all these clips, and I've literally worn them every single day at the minute, so I thought I might as well just quickly show you those because I know these clips are really popular at the minute, and I feel like everyone wants to get their hands on some. So yeah, I'm gonna go make some lunch. I need to fill this up. I'm trying to drink like 4 of these a day. At the minute it's going pretty well. I feel like this Starbucks cup is just so cute. I feel like everybody has this on Instagram at the minute, and it is really helping me drink loads of water because I feel like it's actually massive. Like I did an iced coffee in this the other day, and I was like, you know what, I'm actually really bouncing off the walls. This is actually huge, and you can take it to Starbucks and like get it filled up, and I feel like you'd get so much more because this is actually bigger than their large drink, if you know what I mean. Like when I first had this, I did get it filled up once, and they were like, yeah, you get more than a large in it because it's actually bigger. So yeah, a little Starbucks hack for you. I really fancy walking to Starbucks. It's like a 22-minute walk, but I'm not sure if I can be bothered. I don't know. I'm going to go make some lunch anyway, get some more water. Of course, I'm going to bring you along with me. I'm going to really quickly check what I've got to do. I said in my last vlog I was using this planner from Amazon, which I'll also link down below if you're interested. I just feel like I need to link everything because when I watch vlogs I'm like, where's that from, where's that from? So I just like to let you all know. But today I need two lectures and 1 Q&A, and then I'll be all caught up for the week. So yeah, I'm really happy that I'm nearly caught up with all my work. That's going well. I'll show you a little bit more of the lectures I actually do today as well, because I feel like for people who do psychology or who are wanting to come to Nottingham to do psychology, it's interesting when I actually show you a little bit about what I'm actually doing. So yeah, I'll just do that briefly for the people who aren't interested. But yeah, that's the plan today. I've got 2 lectures to do, 1 Q&A, and I'm kind of fancying a Starbucks, but I might not. So for lunch I'm going to have a bagel, and I'm going to have some light Philadelphia and just some ham, maybe some salad, some mayo, and probably some sweet chili sensations. That is probably my lunch today. This is so good as well. I just wanted to show you this. This is a little tray that actually goes onto that, and that is a little side table. So you can like take it off the side table and then have it as a tray, and it's been so good. Like breakfast in bed, lunch in bed, always in the tray. Like it's just so handy. So I can just have my laptop here, watch something. It's so great. So I'm just going to watch a little bit of Gemma Louise Miles whilst I have my lunch, and then like I said, it's going to be finally work time. I feel like this has been a very slow morning. So I've just finished lunch and now I'm going to do some of my work. So like I said, I've got 2 lectures to do and 1 Q&A. So I feel like I'll just start on that now. So we decided we are going to go to Starbucks. I don't know what I'm going to have. I feel like I want to try the caramel macchiato because I feel like I keep seeing that and I just really want it. I have like a bit of an obsession with like looking through the Starbucks website, all the drinks, even though I hardly ever get Starbucks. But yeah, we're gonna go now. I'm so excited. Out of breath, so I just ran up and down the stairs. But I've had a little outfit change, so I thought I might try and get an Instagram picture on the way. I've got this pink jumper on from Boohoo. I've got blue jeans from Boohoo just with a split hem, and then just Air Force. So yeah, we're gonna go now and I'll update you. I'll bring you on the walk with us. We'll get a Starbucks together. It's really cute. So I just got back from Starbucks. It was such a nice walk. I feel like spring is officially here. Like it was so warm. It was just lovely. Like the walk was really, really nice. So we walked there, walked back. I had the caramel macchiato, which honestly, new fave drink. Like I actually loved it. I had the double chocolatey macchiato, the hot one, the other week, and it was so nice. Then I saw they had the caramel one and they have an ice one as well, which I saw in TJ Twins vlog. And I just text Amy like, is it worth it? Like, do I go for it? And she was like, yeah, I go for it, but get a straw. Like, definitely get a straw, because otherwise it does just go everywhere. Like so I'm swapping arms. My arms are really tired. I'm gonna put you down actually so we can have a little chat. Had that, and then we got back. So I think I'm now going to do a bit more work. I did one of my things earlier. Yes, like I said, I was going to tell you a little bit about my modules. I just deleted some space on my camera because it was running out. But anyway, yes, the modules I'm doing this term. First one is clinical. I absolutely love that module. So it's about like different mental health problems. It's just so interesting. So first of all, we've done kind of like an introduction to the module so far, and then we did a lecture yesterday on depression. I just love clinical as a subject. So yeah, that's the first one. Another one is altruism. So it's all about like being altruistic and what makes people altruistic, which, you know, like helping people, things like that. That one's interesting, but it's not my favourite. I have a module on dyslexia. Obviously I'm dyslexic, so I just picked that because I found it interesting to learn about it. Then the last one I'm doing is on autism and cognitive development, which is also really, really good. So yeah, so far so good. I'm really happy with the modules I've picked this year. But yeah, I thought I would just tell you about the modules because I've had quite a few questions on Instagram from people who are doing psychology or like wanting to do it and wanting to know a bit more about the modules. Hopefully that can help. I'm now going to get on and do a little bit more work this afternoon, and then I think this evening I'm going to make another HelloFresh meal, which I will show you later. Next thing is a couple more uni tasks, and then it'll be Friday, it'll be the weekend, which I can't wait for. I fancy relax, you know. I need to go out and take some pictures tomorrow. I did just take some pictures in this outfit at Starbucks, so I thought may as well make the most of it. So I got one picture, but I think I'm going to order some new clothes, do a haul tomorrow and go and take some photos. So yeah, that's the plan for the weekend. Let's just get on with some work. I'm probably just going to jump you back into another time lapse because I feel like I just love a good time lapse at uni. I just love it. I am going to have to take these jeans off first though. I don't know about anyone else, but I cannot sit in the house in jeans. Like jeans, they're a no-go. Jeans are like a going out vibe now for me. Like jeans in the day, doesn't happen. So this is the next task I'm going to do. This lecture is split into these chunks. I like doing this so I can just tick it off as I go. My candles are out. I'm going to light this little candle.
I put you into your groups, and then that's the one you need to read. So while you're in your groups, you can just turn your cameras on. Clear.
So I've got my comfy joggers back on. I've literally just finished the second thing of the day, which I'm actually so happy with. I feel like it's such a good idea to like divide your tasks up by the day. It just makes it feel so much more manageable. Like this week I had like 12 things to do in 5 days, so I was like, you know what, if I do at least like 2 or 3 each day, I'll definitely be finished by the end of the week, and it's worked. Like it's Friday afternoon now, and I just feel pretty productive. Like I feel like I've got everything done this week. If anybody's feeling a little bit behind or a little bit overwhelmed, I would definitely recommend just like actually breaking it down into like what you have to do and then splitting it up by your days. I was so overwhelmed at the beginning of this week. I was like, oh my god, 12 things to do, like I'm never going to catch up. But because I've just split it equally between the week, it's got to Friday and I'm literally nearly done. Like I've got one more thing to do and then I'm all caught up, ready for a fresh start next week. So yeah, definitely recommend if you need a break, just to take that break. Like I feel like if you never take a break when you need it, you'll end up just burning out. So I feel like as long as you know that you'll make the effort to catch up, like if you need a break, just take one. I feel like I'm going to go and make dinner now because it's about 6 o'clock. So obviously I have my HelloFresh dinner to make, which I'm going to go down and make that now because I'm so excited. It's like harissa chicken. I think it's like spicy chicken, lentils. I've actually never tried lentils before. That sounds really weird, but I've just never had them. Lentils, but I thought I'd give it a go because it was quite a healthy one. Feta, I absolutely love feta, so that's involved. So this is the HelloFresh meal that I'm going to make now for dinner. This looks so nice. Like I really am excited for this. It's the harissa chicken and lentil jumble with feta on top. So I've literally got loads of feta. I've got like lemon to put in it. It gives you all the recipes, like the ingredients here, and then all the steps are on the back. So yeah, I'm really excited to make this. I'm just going to make this and then have this for dinner. So it's got 5 of your 5 a day in it as well. How crazy is that? Okay, I've just finished dinner, gone onto ASOS, and turns out there's like a little sale going on new season. Oh my gosh. And I really want to do a spring ASOS haul. Okay, looks like we're ordering an ASOS order now. Definitely stick around and subscribe if you want to see that because, wow, I'm so excited to just have a little shop on ASOS. I'm just going to put pastel in because I feel like I'm going to go for like a pastel theme on my Instagram now. And I'm just going to get excited seeing all the pastel things. I mean, wow. I've literally just had dinner and it was actually so nice. It was a little bit spicy and I accidentally forgot to put the cumin in, so I think it would have been even more spicy if I put it in, so to be honest I'm grateful I didn't. But yeah, I'll put a picture of it on screen because I actually forgot to do a little video of it, but it was so nice. I love feta as well, like that was really good. Definitely going to show you more of my HelloFresh next week. If you want to see a weekly vlog next week and you want me to like show you all my HelloFresh meals, everything I'm getting up to in the week, definitely comment down below. And also please let me know what you want to see in these uni vlogs because I feel like I'm just vlogging what I like to see in vlogs, but if there's anything specific that I'm not really showing you, if you want to see more of the course, want to see more, I don't know, just anything, let me know because I can definitely do what you want to see in the vlogs. Obviously hopefully you are enjoying them. Just a little reminder of the Desenio discount code. It's just georgialaurenbirch for 25% off, which doesn't apply on hand-picked prints, personalised prints or the frames, but everything else you can get 25% off, which I'm just so excited. I'm so lucky to be working with Desenio on this video. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Because I wouldn't be able to do that if you guys weren't all so lovely, so thank you. So if you're new here, I would love you would stick around, join the little family and subscribe. That would mean so much. So I think I'm going to end this vlog now because I think all I'm going to do now is watch Married at First Sight Australia. Pretty classic, basically what I do every single night. Yeah, basically just chill with my friends for the evening I think, because it's Friday night, like I said, trying to make the weekends feel like a weekend. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.